Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It depends on the place. So, I want to introduce myself. I am Arlene Estrella Beltran. I'm Filipina. And now I am here in Muscat, Oman, working as household worker or housemaid. Okay, I am 50 years old, and I am married but separated, and I have 4 children, and they are in the Philippines now, and currently studying there. Uh, um, I am here in Muscat, Oman since year 2022, and at present I'm still here working. So I need a friend, or we can say maybe more than friend, just in case uh, any part of the world. Actually, I'm already here in Arab country since 2014. I start working in Arab country, and I want to go and other places uh, for visiting or for working. It depends. And I want to meet also another people from other country, because most of my friends are from Asians and Arab. So hopefully someone is listening or watching my video and interested to meet me and to be my friends. Okay, to this WhatsApp number, I can give my WhatsApp number, and hopefully someone is interested. My hobby is same like watching movie, but only on phone, not outside. I'm not too much in malling or shopping. Even I like, but I'm not too much interested. I also love cooking, gaining more friends. I am happy most of the time. I'm always smiling. I reach in my education. I reach higher education such as Bachelor of Arts major in psychology, but I didn't finish it. I'm not a graduate, but I reached fourth year college and majoring psychology. But because of lack of money, so my father was died early, so I stopped, and I getting married. Then I start to stay only in the house, but because of lack of money for supporting our daily needs, so I help my husband. Then I start working, but our marriage relation is failure after 22 years. Maybe we decided to separate. We are not divorced or annul our married, because before it is not qualified. There is no divorce in the Philippines. We just only talking that we need to separate, and no need to talk. So we didn't talk for long years already, since 2019. So hopefully someone is interested to meet me and to become my friends for the meantime, just in case. Okay, so this is me. Hopefully I can meet someone. Thank you, and God bless. Have a nice day.